Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is WAN AFIQ FAHMI bin WAN. Today, I would like to present about three segments in the oil and gas industry. That is upstream, midstream, and downstream. First is upstream. In the oil and gas industry, the upstream segment refers to the first phase of the industry in the value chain. It encompasses activity involved in the exploration, acquisition, and production of crude oil and natural gas resources from the Earth's surface. The upstream segment is still often considered the most capital-intensive and high-risk part of the industry. Exploration. This involves the search of new oil and gas reserves. Geologists, geographists, and the other experts use various methods to identify potential oil and gas-bearing areas. They study geological formation, conduct seismic survey, and analyze well data to estimate the presence and size of hydrocarbon deposits. Next is drilling. Once a potential reservoir is identified, drilling operations are carried out to access the hydrocarbon. This involves creating a wellbore by drilling through the Earth's surface using specialized drilling rigs and equipment. Wells can be drilled onshore, land, or offshore, underwater. Field development. After a well is drilled and proven to contain commercially available quantity of oil or gas, field development begins. This stage involves designing and implementing the infrastructure required to extract the resources efficiently. It includes building production facilities, installing pipeline or transportation, and setting up storage and processing facilities. Production. Once the field development is complete, production activity commences. Crude oil and natural gas are extracted from the reservoir through production wells and brought to the surface. Various techniques such as primary, secondary, and tertiary recovery method may be employed to maximize extraction rates. Next is well operation and maintenance. The ongoing operation and maintenance of well are essential to ensure continuous production. This include routine monitoring, well intervention such as workover or stimulation, managing production rates, maintaining equipment, and addressing any technical issue that may arise. Lastly is health, safety, and environment, or HSE. Throughout the upstream segment, a strong focus is placed on health, safety, and environmental consideration. Companies implement strict protocols to protect the well-being of workers, prevent accidents, and minimize the impact on the environment. These include safety training, risk assessment, emergency response planning, and compliance with regulatory standards. So now we go for midstream. In the oil and gas industry, the midstream segment refers to the stage of the industry value chain that involves the transportation, storage, and wholesale marketing of crude oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. It acts as a bridge between the upstream, exploration and production, and downstream, refining and marketing segment. The midstream segment plays a vital role in ensuring the efficient movement of oil and gas from production area to refining and consumer. Transportation. One of the primary functions of the midstream segment is the transportation of oil and gas from production site to refineries, processing plant, and distribution center. This is typically done through a pipeline, which are on an extensive network of interconnect pipes that span vast distance. Pipelines are the most common and efficient mode of transportation in large volume of crude oil, natural gas, and petroleum products. Storage. The midstream segment includes facilities for storing crude oil, natural gas, and refining petroleum products. Storage terminal and tank are strategically located at the key point along the transportation route to ensure a steady supply and accommodate fluctuation in demand. This storage facility can be onshore or offshore and provide flexibility in managing inventory and meeting market needs. Terminals. Midstream terminals serve as important hubs where various activities take place. They are often located at the intersection of pipeline, railways, or waterway, facilitating the transfer of oil and gas between different modes of transportation. Terminals can include loading and unloading facilities, planning operation, quality testing, and metering system to measure the volume and composition of the product. Lastly is processing. In some cases, natural gas extract from wells contain impurities or other hydrocarbon that need to be removed or processed before it can be transported or sold. Midstream process facilities such as gas processing plant and natural gas liquid (NGL) recovery plant separate and treat the gas to remove impurities and extract valuable components like ethane, propane, and butane. Lastly, we go to in the downstream. Downstream segment refer to the final stage of the industry value chain. It involves the refining of crude oil into various petroleum products, as well as the distribution, marketing, and sale of this product to the consumer. The downstream segment is focused on adding value to the raw material crude oil and delivering finished product to meet the energy needs of individual business and industries. The refining process involves converting crude oil into a range of petroleum products with different characteristics and implications. This is done through various refining processes such as distillation, cracking, and reforming, which separate and transform the different hydrocarbon components of crude oil. The primary product of refining include gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, heating oil, lubricant, and petrochemical feedstock. Next is petrochemicals. In addition to producing transportation fuels, the downstream segment also encompasses the production of petrochemicals. Petrochemicals plants convert certain fraction of crude oil, such as ethane, propane, and butane, into chemical used in the manufacturing of plastic, rubber, fiber, solvents, and other materials. Petrochemicals are essential in a wide range of industry, including automotive, construction, packaging, and textile. Next is distribution and marketing. Once the petroleum products and petrochemicals are produced, they are distributed and marketed to the end customer. This involves storing and product in terminal and depot strategically located near demand center, such as gasoline station, airport, and industry facilities. The distribution network include pipeline, tanker, trucks, rail car, and ship, which transport the product to their final destination. Marketing effort involve branding, pricing, and advertising, and customer service to attract customers and meet their specific needs. Quality control and compliance. Downstream operation place significant emphasis on quality control to ensure that the petroleum and product meet regulatory standards and customer expectations. Stringent testing and quality assurance protocols are implemented to ensure product consistency, safety, and performance. Compliance with environment regulation is also a crucial aspect of downstream operation, which effort focus on reducing emission, managing waste, and promoting sustainable practice. Lastly is research and development. The downstream segment also include research and development (R&D) activity to innovate and improve product formulation, refining process, and efficiency. R&D effort aims to enhance the performance of fuel, develop cleaner and more environmentally friendly technologies, and explore alternative energy sources. Okay, that's all. Thank you and see you next time.